Everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Now we are going to start with placement preparation course. So there will be a series of video on this in which we will guide you for the placements, like how to give answer for the interview questions. So this is the first video. In this first video we are going to do is how to check that company fits for your profile or not. Okay. So how to check companies fit for you or not. So there's a four steps for that. You have to check is like check about the company on their website. Like suppose I want to work on Android app development, Android, and company have a no profile for like company does not work on Android app development. It works on like web development. So you have to check on the company website that they worked or not, because some company are just like they put like we are recruiting for software engineer and software developer, but they didn't take like what kind of work you have to do or Android. Some companies, like mostly companies, tell you like you have to work on Android or web development. Then after this you have to check that company on a link list. Oh, LinkedIn, sorry. After that you have to check the company on a LinkedIn. On LinkedIn you can on inside like about, I will be telling you further. Inside about you can check like and which technology company works or not, and you can see the profile that matches. First you have to see the profile matches to you. Like I told you, if you are an Android app developer and you are looking for a profile particularly into Android app development and company is recruiting for web development, so you have to check that you are getting fit into it or not. Okay, so check on Glassdoor company is good or not. It's just like some company have a work-life balance issue, so you have to check that on a Glassdoor. So better to check on a Glassdoor and then you have to see. So let us discuss about the check about the company on their website. So I didn't get any website, like I can't show any website for any company, so I took my Lockdown Learner LinkedIn page. So this is my Lockdown Learner LinkedIn page. In search write a Lockdown Learner and you can get here, and you can see here that Lockdown Learner. In about you can see about my Lockdown Learner page. Here I've written become a good programmer with the help of a Lockdown Learner. Lockdown helps students to clear their concepts in programming, help to grow in many technologies like mobile app development, Java, artificial intelligence, and there's many more. You can see about my about on my LinkedIn, and in that you can search on LinkedIn, because most of the companies are nowadays present on LinkedIn. You can search on about part, like in watch technology and like what they are working. So check the company on LinkedIn. This is done on the website part. Also you can check the LinkedIn, but if you want to show that the company fits for you, should see here when you open the company chat with the Jatin and 5 connection who worked at here. Okay, see all 8 employees on LinkedIn. You can check the employees on LinkedIn and send their request and ask them about the company culture and all, like I am into this technology, so company will allow me to work on this. Or if they are doing good, like some companies have a software developer and they put you in a software testing, so you should know about that thing. Okay, so see the profile matches to your work or not. Like in earlier I have told you, it's like you are an Android app developer, you are clear with your side, like you have to go in Android app development. If you're not clear, so you can go in any profile like software engineer or developer or web development, because you have to start because of from the zero, because the internship type company will also help you and you have to grow by yourself also. So if you're clear with your Android app development, so you have to go in Android app development company. Otherwise you will face some issues in the companies, because some of my friends are also facing issues due to technology. So you have to see that thing. Okay, so our last step is check on Glassdoor. So how to check on a Glassdoor? I will give a link of Glassdoor on my I will give a link of Glassdoor on my this video description. So you have to go on a Glassdoor, type here company, like I type Lockdown Learner. Then you can see a Glassdoor dashboard about a company. There's a 2404 reviews. There's a 4.4 rating. That's a good rating. Okay, 4.4 rating, and you can see the pros and cons of the company, and then you can go ahead with the company. Okay guys, so there will be more videos coming on the placement preparation course, so be aware of that videos. In this videos next we are going to tell you about how to make your resume, and after that we will tell you like how to answer questions in a interview. Okay, so mostly asked questions we will be discussing in this series. Okay, so thank you guys.